Some parents teach life lessons, but these ones taught nothing but bad decisions. Here are 5 cases when head parents get caught red-handed. Number 5. Mom decides to drive while wasted and acts like a toddler upon getting caught. Coming up in our first case, officers respond to a call on the highway after reports of a crash involving a woman and her child. Here's what happens as they begin investigating the scene.
2nd, 28, New Mexico, 211, Tom, Mary, Adam. Hello.
Hi.
Are you guys okay? Any injuries or anything? You're okay. Can you get your license, registration, insurance, all that stuff for
I'm
me?
not gonna lie to you. I have a suspended license because when I moved to Texas, it wasn't valid.
Okay.
And so there's no insurance on the car. There's no driver's license. I've been working with New Mexico to try to get my driver's license since I moved here 2 years ago. And I know I have a warrant in Alamogordo for no license driving, whatever. And I've been trying to take care of all that.
Okay.
And so I'm a single mom of 3 kids. I'm not working. I live off of my child's disability check. And so I'm selling food plates, trying to make ends meet. I am not.
Okay, that's fine. Let me check on him and I'll come back and we'll figure out what happened in there.
Insurance, but I cannot,
that's fine.
Like, I don't have anyone to. I don't want my kids.
Okay. Let me go check on him and make sure he's okay. Hello, Officer Pirtle. Are you okay? Are you injured?
Oh, you're fine.
You're fine? Okay. Can you get your registration, insurance, and your driver's license for me? But while you're getting that, what happened?
What? I was coming down Stern Drive, and I made the right-hand turn onto the lane. This lane here. And I could make a right-hand turn at traffic light. I pick up my daughter from daycare up there. And all of a sudden, boom! Hit me so hard, I spun around.
Okay.
Look at the top. I don't know. This is my truck. I broke the white tires, I think. I spun around, and went this way. I almost hit the trees.
Okay.
I was in this lane over here.
So you were in this lane and you were going this way?
Yeah, I was going to the traffic light to pick up my daughter.
That's crazy.
Okay. What happened? You need to tell me what happened.
Driving down this way, delivering food plates, and he was behind me.
The exchange begins calmly enough, but that changes once the officer starts probing deeper.
Behind me before we, there was multiple times. From all the way over there. I drive my speed limit here. I have tickets. I have warrants. I know what I have. I have 3 children that are depending on me because I can't go to jail. So recently with my income tax, I started going to get my license, paid my tickets off so I can be legal. I just got the car.
Good. So I'm confused because initially you said that he was behind you. So at what point did he get in front of you?
Tell me, you think that just happened so quickly to just me to be...
Well, the reason I'm asking you is because I wasn't here. And you should be paying attention to driving, so you should know when he gets in front of you.
Okay, don't be sarcastic.
I'm not. I'm just trying to figure out what happened.
And I'll tell you. I came down this way. I just dropped off a plate. I'll give you the address of the plate that I just dropped off over here. I came over here. He was in front of me.
Okay, and then what?
He was behind me. I felt rushed. I sped up a little bit. I'm slower than the speed limit because I learned my lesson with the sheriff. This is what happened. This is what I saw. This is what didn't happen. This is not what happened. Because honestly, all as it was happening, I turned and I looked at my daughter.
Okay.
I turned around and looked at my daughter because she was in a car seat. He came over here saying, "You need to have your daughter in a car seat. She's supposed to be in a car seat. She's supposed to be strapped up. She's supposed to be this." She was. She should be in a backseat. Yes, I understand. But my daughter's weight requirement allows her to be in a booster seat.
Okay. So was she in the front then?
She was in the front.
Okay. Okay.
But her seat's pulled way far back.
The woman makes an effort to explain herself, but when officers run her information, what they find takes her situation from bad to worse.
I've had 2 children. And if that's against the law, then cool. I'll take my ticket for that. Whatever y'all feel, it is what it is.
Okay.
Whatever. Whatever you guys have to do with me.
Okay. Just hang tight, okay? So I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do, okay? Like you said, you know you have warrants. There's 3 warrants, 1 out of Otero, 2 out of Doñana County, okay? I'm already calling the Otero County judge to see if I can get you released on your own recognizance because of the kid situation. So far, what he's told me is he asked if I can take you over there, which isn't a possibility because that's just something that we won't be able to do. So it sounds like because of how many warrants you have, he doesn't want to release you on your own recognizance, and that's a judge's order. So with that being said, if he doesn't give us that, if he doesn't allow you to be released on your own recognizance, I have no choice. I have to contact CYFD to take care of the kids.
You can't call my mom?
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. That's why I'm explaining all this to you. Do you have family here that can watch the kids?
We'll take them.
Okay. Can you call her and can she come here?
So that's the plan for me to go to jail right now.
It is, and that's because the judge in Otero is not wanting to release you because of all the warrants. We're going to walk to this second unit, okay? The white one. Okay. Just right here's good, okay? Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. I'm going to take off your watch, okay? Because they're going to take it off at the jail anyways.
It's at this point that officers begin to take clearer notice of the woman's slurred speech, and it's enough to raise serious concerns. However, before asking any further questions, they pause to read her Miranda rights.
Thing is, I'm from Texas.
Uh-huh.
They'll tell you, I'll give you their number, I'll write it down, whatever.
That's going to go with you. You're going to have that,
Please,
okay? Yeah.
Please.
Okay. So before we get going anywhere else, let me read you something and then I have a couple questions for you, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questionings if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and do not have to answer my questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my question for you, have you been drinking? Okay.
Honestly, not until the accident.
Not until the accident? So you got in the crash and started drinking?
We got in the crash. I know I have a warrant. Doesn't make me do whatever. Whatever. You can think what you want to be.
No,
whatever.
I'm just asking you.
I'm not a bad mom. I'll say what it is.
Okay.
I had no problem. We had no interaction with the accident. Wasn't a problem. I was delivering plates, and then when the accident happened, well, if I'm going to jail, I'm not going to jail sober.
Okay.
I hate to say that. Now, what you charge me with? Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah.
I know. I'll take it.
Okay, so
I will listen. I will take it because for me, I've been a single mom. I'm not trying to milk you, nothing.
The officers hardly need to press the woman for answers, but before long, she says something that makes her case even more troubling.
Please don't take it. Take my emotion as me milking you. I don't have no agenda. I'm not going to make you feel sorry for me. I know what I do and I know what I don't do. I moved here with family basis thinking that I would have help, blah, blah, blah. I was sober.
Okay.
I have not done nothing but drink a boot.
A boot?
Boot?
When was that?
Probably about an hour and a half ago.
An hour and a half ago? Where was it?
My house.
At your house? A boot of what were you drinking?
Jose Cuervo.
Of what?
Jose Cuervo.
Jose Cuervo? Okay. Do you normally drink?
No, not as often.
Okay.
I went to rehab.
Okay.
I never lost custody of my children. Never lost custody of my children.
Okay. So I just want to make sure, because you're giving me different stories. About an hour and a half ago, you were drinking at your house. You said you drink Jose Cuervo.
No,
And then,
that's not what I said.
okay, what
You took what you wanted to. You took what you wanted to say. Now let me tell you something. I'm not. No offense against you,
No, you're fine.
but when I got arrested in Alamogordo,
Uh-huh.
I wasn't even drinking. I did my makeup. I was doing my makeup on my way to go get me a little hot pocket. Okay, I was going to a appointment. Not that y'all needs to know.
So,
But I was going, no, let me tell you.
now you were going to correct me about what I said, because I said you were drinking Jose Cuervo, and you said that's wrong.
No, I drank it 2 hours before I even.
I don't want you to fall.
I know. I drank it 2 hours before I even left the house.
Okay.
I have 8 different clients, whatever.
Warrants aside, the woman's involvement in the crash is already enough reason for the officers to take her in. However, this case is far from over.
You know you are. You already made your assumption. Go ahead.
Okay. Hold on real quick.
You made your assumption. Go ahead. No.
Just hang out
No,
right
go
here real
ahead.
quick.
Go
okay?
ahead.
And actually, let's have you have a seat in here real quick, okay?
No, I'm not. Nah, you can either make your assumption. If you're going to arrest me, put me in the car.
Yeah.
Nope. Okay?
Yeah, we're going to go in the car.
You want to arrest me?
Yeah, you have warrants
Make sure
on
you
this
arrest
side.
me.
Oh, that's right. You don't have a canine
Yeah.
camera.
Okay. Make sure you arrest me.
202, 209. Give me a 21. Okay, Miss Duran. So, just so I can confirm for the crash report, you said your daughter was in the passenger seat, correct? And you were in the driver's seat? Yes? Okay. So let me ask you this. Would you be willing to perform some tests for me? Yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna...
What kind?
So I'll explain them out here. It's just going to be a couple of tests that we go through. But if we do this, I'm going to take your handcuffs off. I don't want you to run or anything like that. Don't get any ideas like that because
stupid.
I just want to get it out there.
I know.
That way it's said,
I
okay?
was raised from Dallas. I'm not gonna run.
Okay. I just want to make sure it's said. I don't want you to pick up any charges that you don't need, okay? So are you willing to step out and do this?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to seatbelt you. Go ahead and step out over here, okay? So what I need you to do is right where you're at, go ahead and put your feet together, heels touching your heels, toes touching your toes, and your arms down at your side. I want you to remain in that position until I tell you to do otherwise. Do you understand? Okay. Are you able to see the tip of my finger? Okay, so with your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of my finger. Do not move your head at all during this test. Do you understand?
It's clear early on that the horizontal gaze test isn't going well, but the officers proceed with the rest of the sobriety test.
Keep looking. You're okay. You're okay. Get back in that position.
I have ADHD too.
No, you're okay. Get back in that position for me. Put your feet together and your arms down at your side. Okay, so follow the tip of my finger, okay? Try not to move your head, okay? Keep looking at the tip of my finger. Keep looking over here and put your arms back down at your side. Okay, get back in that position for me.
I can't.
No, you're okay. Just get back in that position for me, okay? So for this test, what we're going to be doing is a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down that straight line, okay? During the test, I need you to keep your arms down at your side. You're going to be making each step heel-to-toe, looking down at your feet, counting each step out loud as you make it, okay? Once you get to your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted on the ground, taking a series of small steps to turn yourself around, and then 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line. Do you understand all that?
9 steps. 9 steps back.
Just as I instructed. So during the test, once you start it, don't stop the test until you've completed it. Do you understand? Okay, go ahead and begin.
I hate this. It's not even alcohol. I just don't have coordination. That's why I do this. 3, 4.
Keep your arms down at your side.
Can I do this without it?
If you want to do it without them, that's fine.
Yeah. That's easier bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
At this point, the signs leave no doubt. She's impaired and shouldn't have been driving in the first place.
Okay.
Can't.
So, do you want to continue the tests?
I know.
So there's one more test.
It's not even that I'm drunk. I'm not. None of that.
Okay, so
My thing is, I'm not a girly girl. I did not. My mom did not take me to gymnastics. None
no,
of
you're
that.
fine. You're fine.
I was raised in Dallas. So
Yeah.
Can I?
No,
Can you-
just stay there, okay?
Hold my hand real quick.
No, I'm not going to hold your hand.
Okay.
So right now I'm going to place you back in handcuffs, and then we're going to go from there, okay? I'm going to explain stuff to you, okay? So go ahead and turn around, put your hands back behind your back. Okay. Walk back in and just have a seat right there, okay?
Now the officers calmly explain what comes next. Under implied consent, she's legally required to undergo a breath test as part of the DUI investigation.
Teacher.
Okay. Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test?
Nope.
Okay, I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year.
Cool.
If you are convicted in court of driving under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Okay. Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement of the New Mexico law that you take a breath test.
I don't care.
Do you agree to be tested?
Nope.
Okay.
In addition to being booked for her outstanding warrants, the woman faced multiple charges, including reckless driving, driving without insurance, driving on a suspended license, and aggravated DUI. Number 4. When total strangers do a better job at parenting than the actual mom. On the night of September 27, 2021, officers responded to a call about a young boy seen wandering alone along a highway. With no parent or guardian in sight, what follows is an investigation to figure out where the child's parents are.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Deputy Wynn, Flagler County Sheriff's Office. What's going on here?
Good morning. I always walk my dogs in the morning,
Okay.
and I had a gentleman pull his car, and he said, "Ma'am, can you see back there? There's a little young boy walking by himself. He doesn't have," because I hadn't personally seen him since we were coming this direction.
Right.
And he was in the other direction.
Right.
And so he says, "I'm afraid because, he's all by himself." And I said, and I'm looking, and yeah, it's a little tiny boy, he's all barefooted. So I stopped and I asked him, "What are you doing?" He says he's trying to get to his grandma's house. And so I called 911, I should say.
Okay.
And he says he's been left by himself. His mom and dad works. It turns out he says he was by himself, and he's trying to get to Grandma's house.
Okay.
Grandma lives in Daddle Pepper Road, and according to the 911 lady, that's in St. Augustine.
I see.
And he says the ones in his house right now is Zach, his mother's boyfriend, and the mom. He said he wanted to leave because they don't take care of him, and he's left by himself.
I see. Do you happen to have your ID on you, ma'am, or driver's license?
I do. Morning.
How are you? Hey, bud. What's going on?
He's just trying to get home to Grandma.
Yeah.
Because he said he was left by himself.
Oh, okay. Were you just walking by, or how did you find him?
She was notified by another passerby as she was walking her dog.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
What happened to your knees, buddy?
The concerned caller believes he had been out there for some time, and the officers share the same concern. For now, the officer's priority is simple: find out who he belongs to and get in touch with his family.
You fell off?
I was driving out of park.
He seems to have bruising through his leg here, through his legs. I mean, I scrubbed a little bit to see if he was dirty, from just dirt kind of accumulating, but it...
And you found him right here?
Right here. I was actually over there, and I walked back when the gentleman told me, "Ma'am, can you double check on this?" And because I honestly didn't initially see him.
Okay.
I just came out of Burroughs here and made a right, and I noticed that a car was parked like in front of me, but sometimes people stop to do something.
Aiden? It's kind of chilly out. Can I put some socks on you? Okay, perfect.
Here, right here.
You live with
because
mom
I
and dad?
walked From there, when the gentleman stopped me,
Going to my grandma's.
I walked from over
Who do you
there
live
where
with?
my friend is with the dog. I walked
I
over
was
here.
living with my
So
mom
this is
and
where the spot
her
where I...
boyfriend.
Oh. Well, do you know where?
No. In
Yeah,
Pine Lakes.
that's all he had.
Pine Lakes?
And then-
Okay.
And then his
Was it an apartment or was it in a
jacket
house?
that he
Your
wears.
apartment.
An apartment? Okay. Do you remember what number it says on the door?
No.
No.
Do you remember what building?
That's okay.
Do you want to go inside my car where it's warm? All right. The only thing you have is your scooter and your jacket? Yeah. All right, come on. I appreciate it, ma'am.
You're welcome.
All right, let's head to my car. Watch the curb. I'm putting him in the car so it's warm.
What?
I'm putting him in my car so it's warm.
It's a little chilly out. Do you have a blanket? I put my jacket on him. He was cold.
I can just turn up the heat.
The officers place the boy in the cruiser to keep him safe while they work on contacting his mother, a task that turns out to be more difficult than expected.
All right, can I give you a hug? Is that okay? All right. And the police will take good care of you, okay? So keep that little jacket on you, and it'll work out, okay? He says he's hungry. Bye, Aiden. I'm gonna blow you a kiss, okay?
We're gonna keep this here for now, and then we'll put it in if we go anywhere. I think she's taking some snacks, okay? All right, give us just a second.
Hey, Aiden, if we drive to the apartments, would you be able to tell which building is yours? Okay.
Because mine has a scarecrow.
Yours has a scarecrow in front? Okay. He says he can point out which building is his once we drive over there.
Okay.
If contact's not made on the phone right now.
You want some trail mix or Fruit Loops or Cheetos? Fruit Loops sounds good to me. Can I try one? Excellent. Perfect. I had to taste test it for you.
He mentioned that he would be able to point out which building is his if we drive over there, so I believe that I'll just do that. Make it simple.
Are you cold? Yeah. Is that Deputy Wenz? Did he give that to you?
No. Oh yeah, it's a girl right there.
Oh, perfect. Excellent.
I think we'll just attempt contact with parents first and find out what's going on. I'm about ready to head out whenever he's done eating.
Okay.
Who else do you live with?
My grandma and my grandpa. My grandpa's live really far, but my grandma
Oh, okay. That's not too far.
As efforts to reach the child's mother continue, the female officer keeps the child calm with light conversation, gently asking questions to gather details about his mother.
You don't like Cheetos? I paid you for a Cheeto guy. That's why I opened these, so I can share them with you. But if you're not a Cheeto person, I guess I'm just gonna have to eat them all by myself. Unless Deputy One wants some snacks. All right. Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna go to that 13 vehicle, but if you guys need anything, let me know.
He didn't say what Zach's last name was, did he? His mom's boyfriend?
He doesn't know. That's what, in the notes it says he doesn't know. Let me see. Hey, Aiden. Do you know what Mom's boyfriend's name is?
Zach.
Zach?
Yeah.
Do you know what his last name is? You know what it starts with? No. Okay.
Where does your mom work?
At the hospital? And you know where Zach works? Is Mom home now? Or is she at the hospital? He thinks that Mom is at work right now. She works at the hospital. Does she work at the hospital here in Palm Coast or the one in St. Augustine? Oh, the one in St. Augustine? That's where she works? What does she do there? She helps people? That's awesome. St. Augustine. Alright, dude, I gotta run to another call, but I wanted to give you some stuff here. I got you a coloring book. Alright, I'll talk to you later. You be safe, okay? Alright, I'll see you later.
Acting on the boy's information, another team of officers checks a nearby apartment, hoping someone there can identify the child or his relatives.
We'll be attempting contact at building 215. Do you know if this kid lives here by any chance?
I don't. I think the people who just live here just moved in not so long ago.
Okay.
I think I've seen him before though.
All right.
It should be this apartment.
Okay. Do you know the neighbor that lives here?
I don't.
Well, if he left, then the door's gotta be unlocked.
I think
Still
these people
unlocked.
just moved in maybe like not even a month ago.
Okay.
3 weeks ago. I
So
feel
it's
I've
it's
seen him
unlocked?
before,
It
though.
is unlocked. But apparently, because there's nobody in there right now.
There's nobody inside of it?
There's nobody inside?
What's that? Yeah, I gotta go with that. All right, cool.
Sheriff's office!
Sheriff's office!
I'm just gonna let my girlfriend know just in case if
Okay.
she sees him or anything, she can let you guys know, okay?
I appreciate that.
No problem.
I don't see anybody.
Nobody's here? Oh, that's crazy.
We can every room in this apartment.
Alright. Is
Why
there,
don't you go get a long sleeve shirt on?
is there a EC for the apartment that we can contact and find out more information on the tenants?
I mean, I'm sure there is. I don't know what any of these names are. This is all like assisted living facilities, and I only know that because I've recently toured them for my father. But it's like Silver Creek and Bayview. It looks like all female stuff in there. Like in the closets and stuff, it looks like women's stuff. So I don't know if boyfriend was maybe sleeping over or something.
The officers are still unsure if they've arrived at the correct location. Fortunately, it doesn't take long before the child's mother steps outside to speak with him.
But he says that he lives here, but he's only here for the night because he lives with Grandma in St. Augustine, which we're also trying to find. But he just brought this phone out to call his mom, doesn't know how to call his mom, and there's no favorites. This says she called Jeff on Saturday. Jeff is your dad, right?
Yeah.
Where does he live? Deer Run?
Yeah.
I don't know where that is. Oh, Mom's home. You want to go say? You want to go see her? All right, come here, don't run out.
Are you okay if I close this door?
Yeah.
Do you have your key with you?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Oh my god.
You went to the airport and left the 6-year-old home alone?
Yeah.
You didn't think to maybe bring him?
I don't want to wake him up. Did he call you guys? Like,
No, he was on Belterre, which
about
is
6 miles away.
4 lanes of traffic where he could have gotten run over by a vehicle.
Why did you leave the house?
Because he's 6 years old.
I mean, it takes some time to get 6 miles away on a scooter barefoot. I put socks on him. So, we'll be contacting DCF.
Who else resides here, ma'am?
Well, my mom helps me with him, so she's in and out. But it's just me and him.
Okay.
And he lives with his dad, 50%.
Where does his dad?
St. Augustine.
Where's his grandmother?
St. Augustine.
How long is he here for?
Till Friday.
When did he get here?
Last Friday. We do week on, week off.
Between you and Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. And you just got back from the airport?
Right.
I mean, this is technically child neglect.
I know.
You left him home for close to 2 hours.
I honestly thought he would be okay because he sleeps.
He's 6 years old.
The officers continue pressing the point, making sure the woman understands the gravity of the situation. If not for a concerned citizen, her child could still be wandering the road alone, and the night could have ended very differently.
Somebody took him, or he got ran over by a vehicle.
I know.
What if he got home before we even found him and nobody else saw him, and then we have a missing child?
I know.
Do you know how he was reported to us? A driver on Belterre stopped a pedestrian and let her know to check on this child that was in front of Station 23, barefoot,
Stupid of me.
with only a puffy jacket on. So I have the lady who called us, she let him use her jacket. I have his scooter in the back of my car as well. He was trying to ride all the way up to his grandma's house because that's where he wants to be. Hey Aiden, would you mind going upstairs with Deputy Lane real quick? I have a few questions for you right now. My name is Deputy Wynn, badge number 875. I have questions pertaining to child neglect. These are your rights. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me? Yes, no, yes?
Talk to you.
Okay, when did you leave for the airport, ma'am? 3:20 a.m.?
Miranda, right?
Who were you taking to the airport?
My boyfriend.
Okay. Does the boyfriend stay here?
Come close. Not with me.
Okay.
He has a house.
Okay. Do you normally leave Aiden here alone?
No, never.
Okay. So here's the thing. While you were gone, Aiden went around the house, saw that there was nobody in the house. He got scared. He wanted to go to Grandma's house, which is in St. Augustine. He then took his scooter out and rode his electric scooter for 2 miles in 65, 66 degree weather next to one barefooted, next to one of the busiest streets in Palm Coast. And then he was found because he was huddled up on top of his bike by a pedestrian in front of a fire station. At this time, ma'am, I'm placing you under arrest for child neglect. If you could, please turn around, place your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna take your...
In the end, the woman was charged with child neglect. Number 3. Party mom to problem parent. In this next case, officers respond to an apartment complex after reports that 2 children, just 9 and 2 years old, had been left alone by their mother. When they arrive, they find the 9-year-old on the phone with her grandmother. And that's not the only concern. The apartment itself is in a condition no child should have to live in. And before long, their mother is called to the station for questioning. Watch how the investigation unfolds.
Alexa? Okay, could you come with us, please?
Are you dad? Yeah, we're good. Okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be a few minutes, if you don't mind hanging out.
Yeah, I can hang out. Just give us a supporter and bring her down.
Okay, all right, appreciate it, so.
All
All right. I'm back. Okay? Just so you're aware, our cameras are on. So, yeah.
Go ahead.
Direct you upstairs here. Some chairs, something like this, we're not all squeezed in.
Okay, because of the circumstances, you're at the PD. You're in the interview room. I have to advise you of your rights. It's a bit of a formality, but it's something I have to do. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? Okay, so...
I am getting a lawyer, but yeah.
Sure. Okay, so...
Do you want to have them here, or you said, you kind of already know what's going on, right? So I kind of explained it to you on the phone.
Right.
Right.
What is your guys' what's the definition of extended?
What do you mean extended?
Like extended period of time.
I
understand what I did.
Okay.
Not right, but
Okay. So
what is an extended, like,
So the statute varies.
what is
There's factors that go into it. So there's the totality of, what's called the totality of the circumstances. I mean, for one, the mental state of the child itself, the age.
Just speaking with her, like literally minutes, like the entire time. I was gone for 3 hours. That's what is your definition of?
Leaving 2 young children unsupervised for over 15 hours is shocking enough, but now the woman is scrambling to justify what she's done.
So you're saying you were gone for 3 hours?
I left at 1 the night she was asleep, yes.
Sorry, when you left
She was
when?
like around 1, I'm assuming?
And what time? Like in the afternoon, 1 in the
Yes,
morning?
yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll be honest with you, that's not what we.
No, I
Okay.
did leave the night before I came back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she was still.
No, they were not. They were, yeah.
Okay.
So you're saying you left at 1, but you came back?
Yeah, absolutely. I talked to my neighbor. She lives right next door to me and told her, I was like, hey, keep an eye on them. She was in the shower when you guys were there. And I was like, how did you miss that? And yeah.
And then,
That's why I was asking.
How did you miss that?
My neighbor.
Okay.
My next door neighbor. We were best friends in high school. She happens to be my neighbor. And
Okay.
I told her, like, hey, I'm keeping an eye on them. I'll be right. I planned on being right back, but. And hence my dad reading my ride, and what also took so long, which I spoke with you about. Yeah, that's why I didn't know your guys' definition of extended. Regardless, she's 9 years old. An hour is too long, but that was like max what it was supposed to be, and yeah.
Well, regardless, like you said.
Like I said, regardless.
I mean, it is what
No,
it is.
and I know,
So-
and I fully yes, but
Okay. So, in generally speaking, a 9-year-old cannot take care of a 2-year-old
No,
and
no.
might be left unattended, right?
sure.
So that's where the charge comes.
Legally, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
legally,
yeah,
yep.
legally.
And given the conditions that the house was in,
Mhm.
right? The fact that the 2-year-old was soiled, she had urinated through her diaper, through her clothes, and been an extended period of time, clearly since the diaper had been changed, right?
The officers now confront the woman about the items found inside her home, from cigarettes to illegal paraphernalia, raising even more concerns about the environment her children were left in.
Reasonably so, right?
Yeah.
And-
And her dad bought her size 3 diapers because he wears size 5 diapers.
Okay.
So that also doesn't help it.
Sure,
No,
but
absolutely,
you understand
absolutely.
where we're
No,
coming
absolutely,
from, okay?
100%. 100%.
It's illegal, but there's that's on the couch. There's burnt cigarettes that are also on the couch. There's,
Yeah, sure, that's
you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
There's a lot of things that went
No, of
into
course.
the investigation, and unfortunately, we have to take action as law enforcement officers.
Right.
We
Yeah,
have
mandated
to,
report. No, I understand, absolutely.
and we as officers have that right to then take children into protective custody and notify DCFS if there's no way for them to be cared for at that time, right?
Mhm.
So, and that's exactly what we did. So we were on the phone, and correct, and they helped take care of the girls occasionally. So have you been contacted by DCFS at all
No.
yet, or have you been in contact with or?
I've tried to call her multiple times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. DCFS is obviously going to have an investigation.
Well, yeah.
So and I'll lay this out to you, okay? So speaking when we first got there, if you were home,
I just
okay. Well, I mean,
No, I know,
we
I know.
saw like the messages and
Right,
stuff,
yeah,
everything
yes.
there, but we also saw the Snapchat at midnight.
that was, and then I came home, literally, like,
What time did you come home in the morning?
I was picking my cousin up. She works at Central Avenue Tech in
Okay.
Denver. She got off around like 1, and she goes back down early, dropped her off, and went home, and they were asleep.
Okay.
Yeah. They were up for a while, so they obviously slept in, but yeah.
Okay.
No, you can talk to my neighbor. I mean, she can attest to that.
The truth behind her absence is even more disturbing. The woman allegedly left to attend a party, and she still doesn't seem to understand the weight of what she did.
So after you dropped her off at 1, about what time would you say you got back?
Last night?
What would have been this morning?
No, it was, I mean, technically, I guess, but like, I dropped my cousin off at home. She lives 5 minutes away from me, and went home with her. Directly home. But no, I talked to her right before that, around like 1 today, p.m. And hey, I'll be right back, because that was the plan. And here we are.
So once you got back, what'd you do after that? After dropping her off?
I went home, went to sleep.
And then did you leave again?
At 1 in the afternoon, the next day, yes.
1 in the afternoon?
The next day, yes.
So today?
Yeah.
Okay, so you left at 1.
So does me is gone all night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a
Oh,
report we have.
no.
So who
Absolutely
who
not,
can
no.
confirm what you're telling us? Okay.
Absolutely.
Because you understand where
That
But
makes
we're
a
gonna-
complete difference. Her
Right.
thinking, yeah. Oh, absolutely. And no,
because I mean that's how it appears, given the circumstances of.
that's not. No, not at all.
Okay.
No.
Well, I'm
No, I know.
telling you
I
for-
get that.
for
I
our
get that. And
investigation,
her
you know,
assuming that. Yeah, no, yeah. But
she's asleep or she's awake when you left. She's asleep when you got home.
Yeah.
She's still asleep when you left
they were
again.
not. Both of them. Yeah, they were up.
So when she wakes up,
I mean,
she has
I
no
woke her
idea.
up. No, I woke her up, but she's half asleep. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Yeah.
But she said they hadn't eaten anything.
I had
Yeah.
plenty of food in my house. She wanted me to bring her Taco Bell, and that's really what
Sure,
she was
I saw the Taco Bell.
Yeah,
She's
she
like-
wanted Taco Bell. That's why I have plenty of food in my house. She had plenty of access to food. That's not a problem. No.
Okay.
So.
Well, the problem is she's 9 years old.
No,
You know what I'm
absolutely,
saying?
absolutely. That makes a huge difference. I mean, wrong is wrong regardless, but I'm not that damn wrong. No.
The officers now make it clear to her how severe the situation is. On the night of the incident, the authorities found her daughter in distress, crying and frightened. But the woman still seemed more focused on defending herself than facing reality.
So, we've never met you, so.
No, I
we don't
know.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
mean, when we get there and she's distraught, so yes, like think about what we're walking into, walking
Oh
into,
yeah, yes,
you know.
yes. And she's a 9-year-old girl that literally was just speaking. Like you've seen that. I don't know.
Right, but I mean, like you acknowledged. Doesn't
Wrong
matter.
is wrong. No, absolutely.
Doesn't matter
Absolutely,
if it's 15 minutes
absolutely.
or if it's,
Right.
15 hours, as it appeared,
No.
right?
No. But 15 minutes.
Right.
Right.
Has stuff like this happened before?
No.
Is
You know, yeah, we'll sit with
Watch
each other's
computers?
kids. I'll sit with her kids. Absolutely, absolutely.
She's in an apartment.
Yeah, literally my next door neighbor. We were best friends in high school.
Does she have kids?
She has 2 girls.
About the same age or
They're a little bit older than mine, but yeah.
a little bit younger?
Yeah, yeah.
Is there anybody else that would have come and gone from that, or did you have anybody else with you, or?
I dropped my cousin off, and
Yeah.
no.
But nobody else came back to the apartment or
No.
anything like that? Okay. Was that a last minute thing to go pick her up, or was that?
No.
Okay.
She did her car, got struck at work, and yeah, that was definitely last minute. And next time you're gonna find Uber, I don't know.
Was Allie aware that you were gonna be leaving that night to take care of the kids?
Yeah.
Okay. You talked to her about it specifically?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the next
Like through text or through phone conversation or just?
No, I just not talking to her. No.
Okay. And she was up at 1 a.m.?
Yeah. Well, I heard her kid crying, and so I knew she was up. So just ran over there. I mean, like I said, we were best friends in high school. And she messaged me on Facebook, was like, "Hey, I think you're your neighbor." So like, it's nice, you know.
Does he watch your kids pretty often? Or-
I wouldn't say often, but like if we're gonna run somewhere
You
or
just say-
whatever,
just
yeah, I
say,
mean she's right next
right.
door, you know. It's convenient and it helps. So
How old?
she knows her, yeah. She plays with her daughter. And like I said, they're a little bit, you know, she's
The woman's excuse is that she wasn't gone for long and was already coming home. But based on what officers know, it's hard to believe.
Walked home if I knew, you know, like, but I mean, that was a walk, but still.
Who was the ride that you said you were going to get? You said that you had a ride, but then...
My friend, but he had to go to work, and so thankfully my dad is in town.
Where's your dad from?
He's from here, but we just took a job out in Colorado, and he's in town for my birthday.
Okay.
Yeah.
The number that we're communicating on, that's the best number to contact you?
That's my cell phone, yeah.
Okay. So you're going to be getting a call from DCFS?
Okay. Of course.
Because as of right now, there's a safety plan in place. Okay. So there's a plan set up by DCFS while they conduct their investigation to make sure that the girls have adequate safety and supervision. Okay.
I haven't signed no safety plan.
No, I understand.
No, I haven't signed one, so there's not a safety plan set in place.
DCFS is done a safety plan. I can get you a contact number for the caseworker.
No, yeah. I'm just, what does that entail?
They will conduct their investigation and determine whether or not, basically, that you're fit to take care of them at that point, right? So until that point, until they make their final decision, and it goes to court, then they... Court? Well, not necessarily the criminal case, but the family court matter. So they decide and they get an order for the children to go into different custody. That's kind of where things are at as of now. So that has nothing to do with us. That's DCFS, right? And we are, like I said, like you said,
and I guess no, they can do safety recommendations and they can recommend all that, but there's not a safety plan.
Well, Dylan was also involved. Dylan was here.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Dylan showed
and made it sound real good, of course.
Well, I didn't speak with him.
Okay.
I mean, just gave him the synopsis of what's going on, right? You guys had 50-50?
I have custody, he has visitation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you guys have copies of that paperwork somewhere?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
What she did was serious enough to warrant intervention, and now Child Protection Services are on the case.
So that's where things are at now. Like I said, you're going to be contacted by DCFS in the future. I can't say when.
It has to be within 24 to 48 hours.
And I'm sure they will contact you tomorrow before the weekend.
But as is a safety plan, but like there's no safety plan in place because nothing was signed by both parties. So like those kids.
Well, I can't speak to the practices of DCFS.
No, I mean I can't. I know I'm familiar. Like I've never personally had one. They can recommend.
But there's also emergency circumstances where things have to be done without parental consent on both sides.
No, yeah, and I'm not. Yeah.
So, and given the circumstances and the facts that we have leading up to this, that's where things are at.
Okay, so what's up with my youngest daughter then?
The plan is that right now that they're both in the care of.
That's not her dad.
Well, she's with your mom now. Both of them
she
are
has a dad, and that's not. See, there is no safety. You understand what I'm saying? There is no. That's not a safety plan. That's not what they would do.
That's the plan that we have in place.
Yeah, well,
okay. Not we, but DCFS.
She can go with her dad. She don't even. Yeah, she has a dad.
Well, you can talk to DCFS about that one.
Well,
okay.
I would have to talk to my mom.
Okay.
That's not a safety. That's not.
Again, I mean, we can split hairs on what the verbiage is or what the course of action is, but that's where things are as of now.
No, and I get that. Yeah.
So, anything else?
And you guys conduct. Yeah, do what you gotta do, and I'm sure they will too. But...
Okay, so we're gonna do all the booking here, and then we'll give you a court date.
It's not like the old days where you stay in jail for misdemeanor. This is
we just.
Not that I want to go to jail or anything, but that's crazy. I don't know. When they pass that, that'd be first of the year.
These laws came into effect about 2019.
Kind of like not good.
Not that bad.
Not quite.
No, but like bad.
Crimes against people, felonies still very good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Domestic battery still.
They do. Is it? They make it sound bad. Like you can. I don't know. I see stuff on the news or like people on videos that are like, you can Illinois, you can do free whatever, not go to jail.
After a long round of questioning and mounting concerns, the officers wrap up the case for now.
That's not really the case.
I would hope not. So. No.
Yeah, so we'll go downstairs, we'll get through the paperwork, and then you'll be free to work. You'll have a court date.
When will that be?
We'll get to that. You gotta, like I said, fill out all the paperwork.
Okay. So you have a court date on the 28th of August. If you come over here, please, and sign. You read here. This is just goes over explaining everything. You know, you're no bond. You're just gonna have it's just that you a notice that you're gonna appear on the 28th.
Questions, comments, concerns, something?
Okay. Okay. We'll let you out the back. Who you up front?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Just make sure that you answer the phone tomorrow. Okay.
The case concludes with 2 counts of child endangerment filed against the suspect. Number 2. Mom enjoys a night out while neglecting her child. On January 28, 2025, officers responded to a call outside a local bar where a child was found alone inside a vehicle while temperatures hovered near freezing. As they arrived, the authorities' first priority is locating the driver and the mother of the child left behind.
Hello. Sitting at the bar with an alcoholic.
Okay. What's going on, Christina? Christina, come stay with me. Got an idea of why we're here.
Yeah.
She's fine. You can stay with me.
Okay. I just literally came here to get my boyfriend.
Okay. And so this is okay. So Christina, let me get your information first. Actually, can you come stand over here, Christina?
Hey.
Where's Josh?
Josh is with their other officers. I need you to pay attention and focus. Okay. I am going to read you something, just because this is going in a weird direction. You're not under arrest. You're going to stay here. You're not going to be dipping and dodging me, but you're going to stay right here, okay? Your child is okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Josh is okay. So I'm going to read you something because, like I said, this is going to go in a different direction. I have a feeling. I just need you to focus. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning.
Don't walk over here.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you...
Why don't you go back inside or go over there to the benches?
Why don't you come to me?
No. Why don't you go over there?
Why don't you come to me?
No, go over there.
Explain what's going on.
I don't need to explain anything to you right now. Go over there.
Actually, you really do.
Why? Go over there.
Listen to me. I am trying... Listen, no. Christina, listen. I'm going to give you
I'm
one
not
more
going
opportunity.
anywhere. Okay.
No, I know. I know you're not going anywhere.
Okay, just let me go.
But here's the deal. When I tell you to stop moving...
Okay. All right,
and
can
you
I
start
just sit
walking...
right here? Can I just sit right here?
So I'm debating on whether to put you in handcuffs right
No,
now because
please
you
don't.
don't know how to listen.
Yes, I know how to listen.
You want to have a seat? We can do that. Let's walk over and have a seat.
With her now seated in front of them, the officers begin the interview, starting with her personal information before digging deeper.
Yes, we're all 10-5.
Okay.
Yep, we're all good here.
Spell your first name.
Kristina.
Kristina.
Yes, sir.
Christina, middle initial.
B.
Okay. So, Christina, you've been read your rights. I have a feeling you know why we're here. Do you wish to explain or maybe help me better understand what the heck is going on?
I literally came here to get my boyfriend. We were fighting. Car sleeping. This car?
Mm-hmm.
Josh.
Okay,
and
so this is Josh's car.
Mm-hmm.
And you were driving Josh's car? Did you drive Josh's car here?
I did.
Okay. So, Josh was here with you.
He was here. I got here after him. We had been arguing.
You can have a seat back down. Thank you. So you and Josh were arguing, and Josh came here by himself.
Yes.
Okay. And then, what time did Josh get here to the bar?
I really don't know, honestly.
Okay. What time did you get here to the bar?
Can I check my phone?
Sure.
Probably less than half an hour ago.
Okay, about a half an hour ago you got to the bar, and you came inside.
I came inside.
Josh was in here.
He was, and then I had been sitting out here watching the baby.
Okay.
And I got a drink. I was just waiting for him to leave so we could go home.
Okay, so at some point you decided to leave the child in the car, to go inside and have a drink at the bar.
I was out here the whole time. I literally had just
That wasn't my question. My question was, at some point you decided to go inside.
He was out here watching the baby.
Who was?
Josh was.
Okay, so Josh knew the baby was out here too.
Yeah.
And at one point were you guys both inside?
No.
When the baby was... Well, yeah, because we were standing out here for quite a while.
The woman's first response is to deflect. saying her partner was outside the entire time. But when officers arrived, her car was completely unattended.
So I'm trying to figure out at what point did both of you guys decide to go inside and have a drink and leave
I
the baby out
honestly
here?
just wanted to get my boyfriend from the bar. I was not trying to stay here at all. I was trying to just go home. I understand.
Can you explain why you would leave your child in the car unattended on a cold night when the vehicle... No, have a seat.
I understand. Okay.
Do you understand? Because you're having a very difficult time comprehending and following simple instructions.
I'm sorry. I'm just nervous. I just want my child back.
Why are you so nervous?
Because I just
What makes you nervous?
I just wanted to go home. I didn't want any of this to happen.
Okay. What were you guys arguing about today, you and Josh?
About him not being home. I just
Where do you
wanted
guys
to go
live?
home. We live over here in Edgewater.
Where?
Off of...
Okay, so you guys live together?
Yes.
How did Josh get here?
He has his own vehicle.
Is that here?
Yes, sir.
Which one is that?
I believe it's just...
Is that the Dodge that you just put in the call?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
The child's mother may have left the child behind, but it's her boyfriend who's about to make things worse with what he does next.
If I did something wrong, arrest me right now.
So like I said 2 minutes ago.
Arrest me right now. If I committed a crime, arrest me right now, or I'm going to go inside.
Okay, cool. Comfortable and quiet. Let's just...
Okay. He did not move him first.
Yes, for what? Please, can I talk to this guy, please?
I'm going to talk to you in a second, but he's going to raise your
you
hand.
understand it, okay? Okay, so before we ask you any questions, you understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to your lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. And to have them issue any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
Okay.
And we have all of Josh's information. It's in the call. It's inputted already.
I just need to input it.
I'll talk with you now, Josh.
Okay.
That needs to be read to you because there's some pretty serious allegations.
I understand. I do.
Okay. And you're in handcuffs. It's pretty evident that you're not free to go. That's a procedural thing that needs to happen. So, you want to talk to me? Tell me what's going on.
So, I've been in here by myself hanging out for the last few hours. She showed up here. I told her not to come up here.
Officer Gray's going to jump in and ask questions as we're going along, too. So, go ahead.
I told her not to come here. I said, go to the house. I'll meet you there. At no point have I drove this vehicle. It is registered in my name, yes.
As it turns out, the boyfriend had already been inside the bar when the woman arrived with the child in the car. He claims he didn't even know the child was there until much later.
Cannot have a vehicle registered in her name because she has a DUI in North Carolina.
Okay.
So I registered the vehicle in this name. She paid for the vehicle. It's in my name.
Yeah, I think we're focusing on the wrong thing. Like, I don't care about the vehicle.
Okay, so what I want to understand is why, what illegal fraction what am I doing? Because I was inside. She just came inside.
Okay.
She came here with her.
So, do you want to jump? Go ahead, jump in.
So, what
Start at the
time did
beginning.
she get here?
Like an hour.
Like an hour.
ago, yeah.
So it's roughly around 8 till around about 7:30.
Yes, and
Okay.
I told her multiple times to go in the car and go to my house.
Did she have any drinks while she was in there?
At the very last minute, I think yes.
Okay.
Right before I came out here.
At any point did she say she has a kid in the car?
She told me yes, she did.
She told you yes. When was that?
This is when I came out here to check on her.
Check on who?
Her kid.
He came out.
I didn't know she was here. That's why I had the keys. I came out here to.
So
I said, give me your keys.
My question is, so when she got here, she met you inside the bar, correct?
Yes, she didn't tell me she was in here until then she told me she was, and I grabbed her keys from her.
So
and
you
came
guys
out
met?
here to check on her.
I'm trying to understand that she came here and met you inside the bar, correct?
Yes.
Let's talk about him.
Okay.
Let's talk about what he.
At what point did she tell you that the kid was in the car? Right
before
away?
I came out here.
Right before you came out here?
I came out here with the keys. Yes.
Okay, so you just came out here randomly?
That's why I grabbed her keys and came out here to check on her.
Check on who?
Her daughter.
How did you know the daughter was in the car?
She told me when
when you came inside.
Saw my daughter, but still,
Okay.
like, I was worried. So I came out here to check.
And then after you checked on the daughter,
I saw you
what
guys
happened?
here.
I'm to understand that it's not your biological child. Do you like? You guys are
We're just
boyfriend,
dating.
girlfriend? Dating. Okay. How long have you guys been together?
6 months.
6 months.
Her kid calls me.
What's the deal? Is his father? Is it the kid's
Not
father?
her.
Not in the picture?
He beat the shit out of her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, lack of better terms, like you're the child's father. You're
Basically.
the father figure. Okay. Okay. I got you. What time did you get to the bar?
They question him further, but he sticks to his story, saying he would have stayed with the child had he known she was in the vehicle.
Listen, I got off work at 2 o'clock today. I was at surf and then I came here.
Okay. What are you guys arguing about?
5:30. The fact that she wouldn't go home.
No. Initially, like, that caused her to come here.
I told her to go home and meet me at the house because she was with her.
Where was she today that she wasn't
She
home?
took her to the Orlando Science Center.
Okay.
And I said, when you get done, we'll meet at the house. So I got off early today. I work like 70 hours a week. I worked in town. I do vinyl installation, like car vehicle wraps and stuff like that.
Gotcha.
I worked in town at Canal Street today, which is very rare. I don't ever work in town. My boss said, "You're done for the day because I don't want you to come to Orlando." I just decided to drink. So I started drinking at Surf. I wasn't drunk. I left and came here. Ever since then, I am drunk right now, and I was not planning on leaving here and
That's
driving.
fine. And you think she got here about an hour and a half ago?
Yes.
Okay. And sounds like the conversation.
I thought
was
she took her home to her parents. Like she normally does take her to her parents' house
living
in Port Orange.
So how long was she here before she told you that?
It was.
What's the child's
when
name?
Keys? That was when I found out.
No. That's not true. Because you said that you had come out and checked on the child previously.
No, but I asked her if she was out here, but she said no, she took her home. Because this is weird. Because sometimes she takes her home,
So
sometimes
that's
she
a little
goes.
different because she was saying that you guys were like swapping back and forth, and that's a different story, right? If you guys are like swapping back and forth, and she comes out,
She
she checks on
normally
the
does
child,
do that,
You check
yeah.
on the child, like
No. I'm sorry, no. Listen, I've been with that chick for 6 months, but I'm not. No, that's not how. That's how that's going. I'm not playing that.
Playing what?
Like her saying that, checking in and out. I never asked the bartender if I ever went outside the whole time until just now when I came outside with the keys. I did not come outside until just now.
The officers don't question his sincerity, but that doesn't keep him from being pulled into the mess that's already unfolding.
I'm not playing that crap, dude.
Okay. So you're saying that she's been here for an hour and a half?
Yes, and the only time I
finish my question.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So you're saying that she's been here for an hour and a half, and only in the last 20 minutes.
I'm telling you, what.
Let him finish.
No, go ahead. He wants to talk so bad.
Grabbed her keys and I said, "Give me your keys. I'm gonna go check on her." And that's when I saw this lady right here with the door open.
This is the next step.
All right, take me to jail. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Another one.
Thanks, Edgewater. Love you.
Come on, Josh.
Oh, hi. Oh, we're together?
Stop.
Thank you.
9 Delta 16 and 11.
What am I doing in here? Good. This is all your.
100 Robert Street, number 35. Nothing seen, only heard. Mail in and out, slamming doors and breaking things.
Oh, this is not.
To leave. I told you we needed to leave, okay?
I'm getting child neglect charged with
Yeah,
you.
me too.
Because you.
Can you please stop? We're in this together. I asked.
I've been hanging out here by myself. You brought this on me.
I wanted.
You brought this on me.
I wanted.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Now I have child neglect charges on me.
Josh, I
have child neglect charges on me now.
and I have a child.
I told you to go home. I told you to go to home.
Can you please stop?
I told you to go home.
Please stop.
I told you to go home.
You're right.
And you didn't go home. Now I'm in handcuffs.
I understand.
Why? Why am I in handcuffs?
Please, why are you freaking out on me?
I told you to
I
go home.
I should have, but now I don't have my own kid.
As the two point fingers, the consequences are already setting in. And for the mother, Any regret she has now won't undo what's been done.
Josh, I know. I don't want to be doing this right now. I just wanted us to be at home together. I told you that.
I told you to go home.
You're right. I didn't because I know. She's going to get taken away from me.
I told you to go home.
I know. I don't want to be like this.
It's over. It's done. Your parents are going to hate me forever now.
No.
Because I did nothing. I didn't do nothing wrong. I've just been hanging out here, man.
Can you please give me a kiss?
I cannot.
Please. I need something that we're going to both... How did this even happen?
My charges are going to get dropped. I didn't do
But how the this happened? She was sleeping.
It doesn't matter. You brought her here.
You're right.
I told you to go home.
You're right, but I just didn't want to leave you.
Then look at us. Now look what's happening because you decided
All of this stuff is probably
listen to me.
recording.
I don't care.
Quiet.
You didn't listen to me. You should have went home and everything would have been fine.
I don't want us to be these people. I literally cannot even just believe this all happened, honestly.
I can't. I brought her to a bar.
Yeah, and you know what?
And you sat inside.
And I also asked you to leave. How many times?
I told you to
leave. But
I told you not to come here.
You didn't tell me not to come.
I said go home.
You know what, Josh?
I said go to the house.
Your charges are going to get dismissed, but mine aren't.
I will beat you there.
Cool. Your charges are going to get dismissed, and mine aren't.
Well, guess what? I still got to deal with this. And guess what?
Honey.
The situation ends with a child safely handed over to a relative and both adults facing charges of child neglect. Number 1. It's hard to be a role model when you're the one throwing tantrums. Our last case takes us to an ice skating rink, where a group of concerned bystanders report seeing a woman trying to drive off with her daughter while intoxicated, roughly handling the child in the process. Listen closely as the officers arrive and hear what the witnesses have to say.
Who called? It's John and Dave. Can I talk to you guys over here real quick? So what's going on exactly?
Oh, I pulled up, we're getting ready to play hockey. I pulled up over here. She was stumbling, trying to stand up over here. Okay. And I was watching her. Her daughter was helping her pick up all her because she fell. They came over here. I was trying to make sure she wasn't driving. She was yanking on her door, trying to get in. Busted her kid in the face, trying to get the door open. Okay. And then put her in the car seat. And that's when you're all like, no.
Yeah.
It definitely looks like that. Yeah, she definitely drowned.
She just just weren't going to let her take off.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you said you called?
No, he called.
You called?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see all that as well?
Yeah, we're right next to him.
Gotcha. Can I get do you have your ID on you?
Okay.
Please, don't miss me.
I'm not doing anything to you.
Do you have, so we're going to have the fire department come check you out.
Okay.
Is there someone that can come pick you and your daughter up?
Yes, I'm fine. Like, please, don't do this to me.
Nobody's doing
We're not doing
anything
anything
to you.
Hey, how you doing?
You're not getting in the vehicle though. That's not happening. That's not happening. That's not happening.
Let's not turn this into something that doesn't need to be.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, let's go back to your name. You said your first name is...
My name is Eva.
Okay, EVA.
EVA.
Last name...
Please don't do this to me.
What's your date of birth?
Why? You said you're not doing this to me.
We have to document this, yes. You're not in trouble.
Okay.
I'm not trying to... But you are going to have to get some help because you are clearly not in a manner that you can care for yourself right now.
Okay. I will get my husband.
Okay, that's great.
The officer quickly notices something concerning: fresh markings on the child's face, supporting what witnesses reported about the woman slamming the car door into the young child's face.
What happened to your daughter's chin?
What?
What happened to your daughter's nose and chin?
She keeps wiping it. She keeps, wiping her tongue.
Hey, how you doing?
Please.
What?
Please,
What happened to your chin?
I ain't doing it.
The car?
No.
Over here? What happened over there?
Why don't we move to the sidewalk?
That way we're not in the middle of the road. So what's going on today?
Nothing.
Okay. What are you guys doing over here? Watching a game or what's going on?
We're having, like, my girl is having an ice skating.
Ice skating?
Ice skating. She's
Okay.
going ice skating.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay. What's her name? What's
Like, please. Like,
What's
please.
what's your social security number?
I didn't do anything. Did I do anything wrong?
Yeah, but we're not trying to do that right now. We are trying to help you instead of go that route. So it would be best if you cooperated.
Don't arrest me. Please. Please don't.
Does it look like I'm arresting
No.
you?
No,
Okay,
just
then
like...
calm down. You need to calm down.
if you were being
I have anxiety. I'm a mother and I have anxiety.
Okay, I understand that. If you were being arrested, you'd already be arrested.
I have anxiety.
I understand. Do you not have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, I do.
Where's that at?
It's in the car. I just have anxiety. What's going on?
We're doing an investigation.
No! You guys are doing an investigation and I'm crying.
What's your husband's phone number?
Why?
So that we can call him and get some...
No! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't call my husband!
Who else is going to take care of the child?
It's obvious the woman shouldn't be driving, and officers hold her back as paramedics step in, hoping to get both her and the young girl evaluated.
I'm okay. I don't want to be released home.
Okay.
Without your partners?
Look at me.
I am.
I'm a paramedic.
I'm okay.
I'm a paramedic with the fire department.
Yeah,
What I would like to do is you can come sit over on the fire truck with me, get you checked out, make sure you're okay, and I'll go
I'm
from there.
okay.
Okay, but I've got to make sure that you are. Okay?
Can you come here?
I'm right here.
No. Come closer.
You stay with me.
Come closer.
Leave your daughter with the
Can
officers.
you like
I'll
go
go get you checked out, okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. No, I'm fine.
Do you want to come to me real quick? Make sure that you're medically
okay.
I'm
Okay.
fine.
I'm sitting over here with you. You sit on the
Come
bus.
here. It's okay.
Check
It's
out
okay.
and make sure that
You're
you're
okay.
fine, all right?
It's okay.
Keep your blood pressure. Make sure
Is
your
the
blood
yelling
sugar's good.
scaring you?
I know.
I'll tell you what. You want to walk over here with me?
Mom.
Mom?
No, I'm not going to do this.
The issue we're going to have is that if you're unable to give me information and I can't
I'm-
evaluate and make sure you're okay, we're going to have to take you somewhere to make sure that you're okay.
I'm fine.
Okay, great. So let's get you checked out and make sure you're okay.
But
What's up?
your
It's
police
gonna be much
officers
better.
don't think I'm fine.
I'm not
That's the problem I'm having. No! Like, stop! Like, stop! Like, stop! The problem I'm having is your police officers don't think I'm fine. I'm fine! No!
Don't resist. You're just going to get you help. We're just trying to get... Stop resisting.
No! Leave me alone!
We're just trying to get you help.
No.
The sound of the young girl crying fills the scene as officers cuff and search her mother, who shows no signs of calming down.
I understand that, but we
No!
need to make sure that you're okay.
No!
Fine, I'm 5-1 and protective.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
What's your first name?
My name is Eva. Give me my daughter back right now.
What's your last name, Eva?
No. Give me my daughter back. You're
Stretcher, please.
a stretcher? Seriously, a stretcher? What are you doing?
Taking your keys.
No! Give me my daughter back! No! This is a problem with the police officers! No! Give me my my daughter back!
Something else in it.
Look what you just did!
Probably peeing up right now.
Make sure that you're okay.
No!
So that you can take care
No!
of your daughter, okay?
No! Give me my daughter back right now! No! No!
That might be.
I'm not! Give me my daughter back!
Understand what you're saying?
Give me my daughter back now!
All right.
I'm not. No! 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 Yulia! 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 No! 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 No!
Don't kick her. You're gonna get a felony.
No!
You will get a felony if you kick
I
her
want
here.
my daughter back!
You will get a felony.
Get a felony! You will get a felony! You will get a felony! I want my daughter back! How dare you handcuff me! You are irresponsible! I want my daughter back! I want my daughter back! I want my daughter back! No! No! Yulia! Yulia! No! No! You're not gonna do this to me! No! No!
Restraining her does little to calm her down, and instead, it seems to fuel her aggression even more.
No! No! How dare you? Oh, no. No, you know what? You guys are like, I didn't do anything wrong.
So what do you guys get called for?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Subject trying to get into.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Before his radio is going to be off for a second.
Seriously, I didn't do anything wrong. I did not do anything wrong. You never gave me a
A little bit
chance.
more mild until we started trying to care for her.
No, 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 no! You insulted me! You police officer! That's what you guys are in the USA! You guys are police officers! I want my daughter back! Now!
Are you gonna give us her father's phone number now?
Release me now.
That's not happening.
I didn't do anything
So do you
wrong.
want your daughter to
I
go with her
didn't-
dad, or do you want her to go to DCF?
No! You shut up! What did I say?
DCF it is.
What did I say? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? You never told me what I did wrong. No! What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I did nothing wrong! I did nothing wrong!
Is it going to be a marksman?
No! I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you.
If you want,
I'm
you can
going
handcuff
to
one and
sue you.
self restrain.
I'm going to sue you. I have another daughter.
Can we have your?
I'm going to sue you guys. I'm going to sue you guys. No, I'm going to sue you guys.
Can we have the father's name so we can get
No.
to him?
No.
We don't want her to go into
Hey.
protective services.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Hi. What's your name?
My name's Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Yes, ma'am.
The scene grows more chaotic as officers and paramedics work together, trying to prepare the woman to be checked despite her ongoing resistance.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. My daughter. No, I'm not. No. Unscrew me right now. Unscrew me right now. Please. No. I don't want your. No, I don't want this. No, I don't want this.
We had to separate her daughter who's with Ken.
No!
So if you guys,
No!
I think we're good with her. If you guys can check on daughter and make sure daughter's okay.
No, my daughter's not okay.
She's in the
My daughter is not okay because of you guys.
All right.
No.
You want me to get started on that traffic work?
Stop.
Sure, yeah.
Red
Well, you want me to type it up?
So you start looking, see what they need to do with the daughter if she needs to go in one of our cars, and then start looking for parent information to see if we can find dad. If we can't find dad, we've got to call DCF.
Not in the face.
You're not listening to me.
Go back on these straps here. You want to
go back in the cuffs?
No!
Yeah.
No! 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 I will sue you! You guys have... No! I fucking hate you. No! 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 No, you're not! You wanna help me? You wanna help me?
Well, they're
No!
not double locked, but that's just going to make it.
You wanna help me? You wanna help me?
She's getting out that way.
Seriously? You wanna help me? You wanna help me? Are you helping me? You won't listen to me.
Do you need my cuffs on that? You already got them up there.
We'll fix the restraints. You guys don't have
No!
to.
Do it this down here.
No!
Now, paramedics attempt to finally load the woman into the ambulance. But even at this point, her resistance doesn't stop.
No!
Yeah, we'll have to.
Alright, no! 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 My daughter! Give me my daughter back! No!
Stay in there with her, unless you want me to stay in there.
No, I can stay on. Did she hit you at all?
I mean, my arm, but I think because I was trying to grab her, but she started getting out of the frame.
I got you.
I'm not saying no. No! No! I hate you! I hate you! Give me my kids back! No! No! I didn't do anything!
Right. I gotta put something in your
No! 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 You're not! No! You're not! No! You're not!
We can try.
We can get one in that hand.
No! I said no! Woman! I said no!
What's your name?
I said no!
Can you tell me your name?
I said no!
How about
You're
your birthday?
not gonna give me anything!
The answer is no.
No! No!
What's up?
No! What are you doing? No! No!
Let me
No!
hold her shoulder so you
No!
don't go anywhere.
No! I said no. I said no! I said no! I'm suing! No, I'm suing you! I'm suing you! I'm suing you! I said no! I said no! Yeah? You're like... It's like... Yeah? Yeah, you are? I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm done.
You want to tell us?
I'm gonna sue you!
Despite the chaos, the woman is eventually cleared by medical personnel at the hospital and taken in to be formally booked.
Please help me! What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong.
Can you tell me a phone number for...
What did I do wrong?
This is a Marchman Act.
No. I'm asking you. What did I do wrong?
You're being Marchman Act.
Yeah.
You can't take care of yourself right now. You can't take care of your daughter.
Yes,
I got it.
All right. There's the keys. You're the registered owner of the vehicle, right?
That's correct, sir.
Yeah. All right. So today she was found trying to get into the car, opening the car really suddenly on your daughter's face.
Whoa.
That was when people decided that they needed to, see what was going on.
Okay.
She was severely stumbling, had a really bad slur in her speech.
Jesus.
So she was, and had urinated on herself.
Yeah, she's been to AA before. And she goes to AA and she's had a drinking problem in the past.
Okay.
I was not aware if that was... Because, alcohol is really easy to hide.
Yeah, and the car smells like alcohol. I couldn't find any other substances in there. We were just trying to look to try to make sure if there was anything else, we could make sure that they know so they can get her the help that she needs.
Okay.
Whenever we tried to confront her, she started to freak out. She started gripping your daughter really tightly, so we got afraid for the way that she was acting, that she was going to hurt herself or your daughter, so we had to place her in custody, put her under a Marchman Act. So,
under what act?
A Marchman Act. It's involuntary hospitalization for substance abuse.
For 72 hours or 48 hours?
It's until the hospital releases them.
Wow, okay.
So normally they just let them sober up. They're supposed to also try to do some follow-ups, so give her some sort of appointment for some sort of doctor's appointment in the future.
Right.
But sometimes that doesn't happen, so don't let them lack on that, because that's a really important part of the process.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying not to do anything criminal, although there was a lot of things that happened when she escalated like that were pretty bad. She did strike a ambulance worker.
Wow.
After explaining the situation to the child's father, officers walk him through the next steps and what to expect moving forward.
She severely freaked out, especially after we started putting her in custody. So, but that's pretty much it. She's at Largo Medical Center. And,
Largo Medical Center?
Yep. You know where that is?
No, we moved here 8 months ago.
So, do you know where East Bay is? East Bay and West Bay?
Yes.
Okay, so if you go down, if you go to East Bay, take it over to West Bay and just keep going down. Oh, that's perfect. I forget phones exist.
There's a couple campuses, so make sure you get the right one.
It's the main campus on 14th Street. So yeah, that's it.
I'll take a picture of this, and then
it should show you the address on the bottom too if you take that up.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh, did you?
Yep, that's the one. 20114.
Do you guys have a police report number?
Yes.
Reference?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I've got one in the
There's
car.
a good chance this marriage is not gonna last. This is not the first time this has happened.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay. So while they were ice skating,
Are you guys gonna find any alcohol in the car?
I barely started looking. I was trying to control the whole scene, and then you were here. So you're welcome to look. It's your car. If you find anything that seems...
Because I noticed you guys were, the car was open when I first
Yes, I was trying to look. Like I said, the car smelled like alcohol. I was trying to see if there was any other substances, because normally when you act like that, it's not just alcohol.
What else could it be?
I do not know. That's why we were looking, just to
Right.
make sure it was, trying for her safety.
Does she prescribed anything?
Fine enough. Can I get my report number?
She was recently.
Like any kind of.
She told me it was like vitamin D, but then yesterday she went to pick up some other prescription. She didn't tell me what it was.
Do you know the name or not?
No, she never told me the name.
Okay.
In pill form, injectable form.
She never even showed it to me.
Okay.
She just picked it up yesterday, supposedly.
That's my name, my badge number, and this is the report number for the report that I'm writing.
And then I got another question for you guys.
Ultimately, the woman was charged with 1 count of child neglect not resulting in bodily harm and resisting arrest. What's your verdict? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, stay safe out there, folks.